Okay, just wanted to show a little bit of how everything works so smooth. There's the tuning knob. Goes smoothly all the way across. Push buttons. Work smoothly. On, off. Works well. Now, watch this knob. I don't know if I can. See, it's bent. And I took pictures. It's this little tiny screw is actually what's bent. It's not the shaft. You can buy these on eBay, screw, knob, the whole 9 yards for 20 bucks. So, that's all I got to say. It's a good clean radio. Should work with a new vibrator.